In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom match in Fortnite. So the first step is to click on your profile icon in the top right hand side, click on settings, and then select the game tab from the top navigation. Now next to matchmaking region, you just want to go and select your region from the list. Now this region needs to be the same region as the players that you're trying to invite to your match. Then click on apply and head back over to the Fortnite home screen. Now we can scroll down and select a game mode, for example, Battle Royale, and then scroll down again and select custom key. Now what you need to do is go and set yourself a custom key that can be used to identify your unique game. Now this needs to be between 4 and 16 characters, and this is the key that other people will be able to use to join your game. Now, do bear in mind that in order to use this feature, you need to be part of the creator program. Now, if you don't already have a creator account, then you can come over to this website here, sac.epicgames.com, and you can go and sign up to apply. You basically just need to ensure that you have a minimum of 1,000 followers on one of your social media channels, and then you can be eligible to apply for the creator program. So if you have a creator account, click on accept next to the custom key, then scroll up to the top, and we can go and press play next to our game mode. Now if this has worked successfully, then you should see one single person in this queue, and it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.